Hi, it's Dirk from FoodJet. We are today at one of our clients' production facilities, and he's using our SDM depositor, and he has such a nice application. So we wanted to show you how one of the FoodJet systems actually works in a production environment. So if you want to go ahead and put some trays on the machine, because this is a little bit a special machine to such an extent that it's we put the trays on the conveyor, and so the products do not need to be on the conveyor itself. It can be on the tray, and the camera unit detects the position of each product, and if necessary also the rotation of a product, and then deposits the material spot on the product, on the center of the product. So even for non-continuous production lines, you can still use a FoodJet depositor even with baking trays and have an excellent production with great products. So if you want to learn more, check our videos on our website, and hopefully talk to you soon. Okay, bye-bye.